In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with First Citizens Bank Mobile 2025. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can move from start to finish with confidence. You'll need a secure internet connection, a government-issued ID, and a few minutes of uninterrupted time. If you have those handy, you're ready to begin. Start by going to the official First Citizens Bank online account opening page using your web or mobile browser. Make sure you're on the legitimate site. Look for the secure lock icon in the address bar and HTTPS in the URL. Avoid using public Wi-Fi and steer clear of third-party links. If you prefer mobile, you can complete the process on your phone's browser just as easily. Keep the tab open while you gather any details you might need. This prevents timeouts and protects your progress. If you see any regional eligibility notices, follow them. They're there to ensure the bank offers accounts in your area. Next, choose the checking account that fits your needs. You'll see options like First Checking, Primary, or Prestige. Take a moment to compare what matters to you. Monthly maintenance fees and how to waive them, minimum balance requirements, ATM access and potential fee refunds, digital features such as mobile check deposit and alerts, and any perks like interest or bundled services. If there's a comparison page, use it to line up features side by side. Think about how you bank today. Whether you keep a higher balance to avoid fees, rely on ATMs often, or want premium benefits, and select the account that best matches your habits. Before proceeding, glance at the disclosures and fee schedule so you know exactly what to expect. Now provide your identification information exactly as it appears on your documents. Enter your full legal name, date of birth, residential address, social security number, and details from a government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport. Match every field precisely, no nicknames, and be careful with suffixes, hyphens, and apartment numbers to prevent verification delays. If prompted to scan or photograph your ID, use good lighting and a flat surface, so the image is clear and readable. You may be asked a few identity questions or to consent to a soft credit inquiry for verification. That's normal for banking compliance. Double-check every entry before submitting. Avoid emailing or messaging any personal data and keep your session active only on devices you trust. That's it. Follow the on-screen confirmations, and you'll be well on your way to opening your checking account online with confidence and security.